Guys, it's very simple when working with the Microsoft Excel file. Don't do this. Don't come here and type Victor. That is Victor. Then come here and type Mike. Then you come here and type Ann all the way up to down there. That's not good. Maybe you also want to type here Malala. Then you need to type Juma. Then you need to type Kamau. Then you also need to type the abbreviation, of course, v.m. dot. You come here and type m.j.k and all that. Very simple the way it has happened here. All you need to do, guys, is to just type the first name, that is Victor, and then come here to this next cell and then press Ctrl plus E, and all the other names are filled. Come here, type Malala, then on the cell below it, type Ctrl plus E. All the cells are filled. Here, just type the abbreviation v.m. Then down here, just Ctrl plus E, and everything is filled. And there, everything is okay. This can work for any amount of data on Excel. Thank you for checking on.